Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Hards, and today we're going to be making a really easy microwavable cookie dough recipe. And as we all know, it's 2021, so we are doing a special video for the new year. So as you can see, here we have my ingredients of what you're going to be needing, and the measurements will be shown as we look at each ingredient. So here we have some flour. So you're going to be needing 4 tablespoons of flour. You're also going to be needing some sugar. So you can add 1 tablespoon, which is what I've done, or you can add as much as you want according to your taste. Next we have baking powder, which is half a teaspoon, and this is very important and necessary for this recipe. Next we have some milk, and it's going to be 1/4 cup of milk. Then we have our peanut butter. You can also use any nut butter you want, and you're going to add 2 tablespoons of that in. And then finally you've got your chocolate or your chocolate chips, and I'm just using cut up chocolate because I sadly did not have chocolate chips with me at the time, so it's no problem if you just use chocolate. So now we can get started on making our cookie dough. Okay, so we've now got a bowl to start making our cookie dough in. Make sure it's a microwavable bowl because we're going to put this in the microwave. So we're going to start by adding in our flour. So we're going to start adding in all our dry ingredients first, then our wet ingredients. So after our flour, we're going to add in our baking powder, and then our sugar, and then we're going to get our fork and give it a quick mix just to make sure that all of the dry ingredients are well combined. So now we're going to go to our wet ingredients. So we're going to add in our milk. So pour our milk in. And then we're going to add in our peanut butter that we've got here. And peanut butter is also quite an important ingredient. It gives a nice taste. And then we're going to start mixing that all up together, making sure that there's no lumps and making sure that it's all well combined and it goes into a nice doughy kind of mixture. So we're going to come back and we're going to show you how it looks like once we mixed it all up. So now we've mixed it all up, it's all well combined and it's gone in a doughy kind of shape, and we're going to be adding in our chocolate now. So you can either just keep your chocolate on the top, or you can just get your fork and mix the whole mixture with the chocolate in. It's a bit hard when mixing the dough mixture now because it's gone really thick, but mixing your chocolate in is a very good idea. So now we have finished mixing our chocolate in and it looks really good. So I think we're ready to go to the microwave now. Make sure that you have everything well combined, and if there's any bits that are still liquidy, make sure you mix them up. And we're going to press our cookie dough down so that it is nice and flat for it to be ready to go in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so here we have it now. So we're going to take it out because it's been 1 minute and 30 seconds, which is amazing about this recipe because it wasn't even an oven included recipe. It didn't need an oven, and it only put in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so now it is ready, our cookie dough. It might be a little bit warm, but we're gonna wait for a little bit if you want it cooler. And you might notice that the chocolate we've put in has melted and it looks really good. And I'm now digging in with the spoon, and as you can see, it is really thick and really yummy. It's almost like a cake and it tastes really good. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please comment down below and subscribe and like if you enjoyed the recipe, and let me know if the recipe worked out for you. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.